everyone, welcome back to our podcast.
Hi everyone, hope you are doing well today.
My name is Fadil Mansur. My study ID number is 1124008. My major is System Information and at Cyber University.
And I'm Akila Cindy Ananti. My student ID number is 122400001. And I'm also from System and Technology Informasi at Cyber University.
Today we are discussing something that has become a really big part of student life nowadays.
Yeah, especially because technology is developing so fast now, and students interact with AI almost every day without even realizing it sometimes.
Exactly. Whether it's for studying, writing, searching for information, and even organizing schedule, AI tools for everyone, everywhere now.
So today, Fadel, I think we are going to talk about both sides of it, the positive side and also the risk behind it.
Our topic today is AI tool for student, helpful or too risky. Okay, Akila. Since you actively use AI tools, I want to ask you something first. Why do you think students are so attracted to AI nowadays?
Honestly, because student life is already stressful enough, Adele. We deal with assignment, presentation, report, project, quizzes, internship, and deadline almost every week.
That's true, Akila.
So, I think when students find something that can help them to save time or reduce stress, they naturally become interested in it.
And AI feels convenient.
Exactly, I agree. Sometimes it feels like having a personal assistant that's available 24 hours a day.
What do you usually use AI for?
Mostly for studying. For example, summarizing article, explaining difficult concept in a simpler words, checking grammar, organizing ideas for assignment, or even making study schedules.
That's actually really practical.
It is, so especially when class explanation feel too fast or too complicated, that's why I using AI.
Yeah, sometimes you have to explain topic quickly because they are limited time.
And not every student understand at the same speed.
No, that's true, honestly.
Sometimes even after class, I still feel confused, but are too shy to ask more questions to lecturers.
I think that's one reason why AI become popular among students. It creates a more comfortable learning environment.
Exactly, Badel. I can ask questions repeatedly without feeling embarrassed by AI.
And I usually explain things in a simple way too.
Yeah, especially for a difficult subjects.
And also I help students become more independent and learners.
I agree with that one.
Before I become a popular student, had to source books, journal, or multiple websites just to understand one topic.
On some time, based on my experience, after spending all the time searching, the explanation was still confusing to me.
Exactly, but I can organize information quickly and make it easier to understand.
And I think another positive thing is accessibility, Fadel.
What do you mean, Akila?
You know, not every student can afford private tutors or additional courses outside campus, right?
That's true.
But with AI, I can still access explanation and learning support anytime.
And that can really help students who want to study independently.
Exactly, especially students who are preparing for exam or trying to improve their skill outside class.
I've also seen students use AI practice interview or improve communication skills.
Yeah, and honestly, I have used AI for practicing English presentation before.
Really? How was it?
Pretty helpful actually. I could practice without worrying about making mistakes or even being judged.
That's understandable. Sometimes people are afraid speaking of English because they don't feel confident enough.
Exactly, but with AI, I can practice comfortably and repeatedly.
I think this one of the stronger advantage of AI in education. But now, let's talk about the other side. Do you think students are becoming too dependent on AI?
Honestly, yes, in some situations.
Why do you think so?
Because nowadays some students, actually my friend, even me, immediately ask AI for answer instead of trying to think first.
I noticed this too.
Right? Like whenever they get assignment, they instantly open AI tools before even attempting to understand the test themselves.
And sometimes they just copy the answer directly
Exactly, that's the dangerous part of using AI.
because education is only about submitting assignment.
Right, the real purpose of education is building critical thinking, creativity, communication skill, and even problem-solving abilities.
But if students rely too much on AI, good skill might slowly become weaker.
And in real life situation, they won't always have AI giving them instant answer, Fadel.
That's true. Students still need to learn to how to analyze parameters independently.
But in here, I think balance is the key.
Exactly. AI should support learning, not replace human thinking completely.
Another issue for someone who acted using AI that worries me is misinformation.
Yeah, because a lot of people assume AI is our authority.
Even though sometimes the information sounds convincing, but it's actually wrong.
I've experienced that before, honestly.
Oh yeah, really?
Yeah, one time I used AI to help with assignment. Later I found out some of reference weren't real.
That's actually scary though.
Exactly, and imagine if students submit incorrect information without checking it first.
That's why I still need trusted academic sources like journals, book, and official reference.
Because AI doesn't really understand information like humans do.
Right, it generates responses based on patterns and data, which means mistakes can still happen.
I think some students forget that AI is still a tool, not a perfect source of truth.
Exactly, students still need digital literacy and critical thinking when using technology.
Another important issue in academic honesty.
Yeah, I heard plagiarism become a serious concern now, Fadil.
Some students rely too much on AI generate work and submit it without editing or understanding it.
And sometimes the writing style suddenly sounds completely different from how they normally write.
Which rector in office immediately.
Exactly.
I think using AI for support is understandable, but students should still make the work sound and original.
I agree with that one. At least they should understand what they submit.
Because if AI completely replaces effort, then the learning process loses its meaning.
And students may get good grades temporarily, but later struggle in situations that require their understanding and skill.
That's honestly an important point.
And honestly, Padel, I think AI issues are not limited to education anymore.
Yes, especially social media and digital content now.
You know, the fact technology has become a huge concern recently.
For people who don't know the fact, AI generate videos, images, or voice that look very realistic, even though they are fake.
And I think it's sad that sometimes fake content spread faster than real information online.
Which can then make education and spread misinformation very quickly.
That's why digital literacy has become really important nowadays.
People shouldn't believe everything that I see online immediately.
Exactly. I learned technology is becoming more advanced, so people also need to become more responsible and critical.
I also think privacy is another issue students often ignore.
True, I agree. Some people, even my friend, upload personal document or sensitive information into AI platform carelessly.
Even though not every platform guarantee complete security.
Exactly. Technology gives convenience, but users still need awareness and responsibility.
Especially students who might not fully understand how their data is stored or used online.
That's why people should be more careful before sharing personal or academic information digitally, Fadil, I think.
So after everything we discussed, do you think AI ultimately good or bad for students?
Honestly, I think AI is neutral.
You think it depends on the user?
Exactly. AI can be something really helpful if students use it wisely and responsibly.
But it can also become harmful if students depend on it too much or misuse it.
Yep, I think the biggest challenge now is learning how to balance technology with human skills.
Because no matter how advanced technology becomes, students still need creativity, critical thinking, communication skill, and responsibility.
Yeah, and I think those are things that technology alone cannot fully replace.
Exactly. AI should support human potential, not replace human intelligence completely.
Completely, I agree with that one.
Okay everyone, thank you so much for listening to today's discussion.
We hope this conversation gives you a better perspective about AI.
And remember, technology can be powerful or use responsibility.
See you in the next change.
Goodbye and thank you for listening.
Sudbury University, the new
New
generation.